Today, I'm checking out this move-in ready townhome here in Summerlin. Now, you will not find a more affordable property that has a rooftop deck here in West Summerlin, so stay tuned. Welcome everyone. Today is July 23rd, 2025, and today we are going to be looking at a move-in ready home by Pulte. Now this is a townhome, okay? Now just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in West Summerlin. So we're in a really good location off of the 215 in Lake Mead. So about 25-30 minutes west of Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Now the HOA here is about $182 a month. This community is gated. It does have a pool, which is great. Now what you're looking at right here is going to be a move-in ready home. This is the Cornwall floor plan. So this is about 1736 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And it does have a rooftop deck, which is really, really cool. And it's been heavily reduced. So the price, it used to be in the mid 500s. Now the price is, it's priced at $505. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. So yeah, if having a rooftop deck is important to you, this is going to be the most affordable unit in all of Summerlin with a rooftop deck. And it's a nice townhouse. So here you do have this little courtyard, okay, a patio. So you're going to have this 8-foot door when you walk in. So you do have 9-foot ceilings as well on the first floor and the second floor. So this is going to be your living room. So it's very open. You're going to have your dining room here. Again, your kitchen. Now to the right of me, you will have your coat closet. Okay. Stairs that go to the second floor. So I'm glad we don't have the pony wall. We actually have the stair rails. Nice dark cabinets. So we do have the white quartz, as you can see. Now I believe these cabinets are soft close. Let me check. Yeah, soft close cabinets. Another upgrade we have it here is the built-in cooktop, as well as the hood. Stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, have your microwave as well as your oven. Right over here, you're gonna have your pantry / like storage space. And have your thermostat to control the temperature downstairs. This is gonna be your powder room. So you have your sink and your toilet, pedestal sink. Okay, you do have flat corner edging. Now this is the door to the garage. What's really nice about the garage is 10 feet. Okay, so very high garage ceiling. Now the garage is painted and textured, as you can see, right? So plenty of, most new build communities, especially townhomes, they don't like finish their garage. But looks like we also have some storage space right there, along with your tankless water heater. Here, and I'll actually show you. What it looks like over here. So immediately in front of you, you don't have any neighbors. Okay, so this is kind of a hill that goes up. Lake Mead's going to be on the other side. And then very easy access to the freeway. Once you hit Lake Mead, you go a few blocks down, you'll hit the 215 freeway. So this is the living room area. Looks like you have a Smurf tube. So you'd mount your TV right here. You could hide the cords in the Smurf tube. It'd come down right through there, and you could easily plug it in. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about buying a new construction home, and you're very, you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you. You just want to let them know you have representation, okay? Because otherwise, if you go by yourself, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. Now, the builders look after the builder's builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So definitely a difference in what we call fiduciary relationship, okay? So welcome to the second floor. You do have 9-foot ceilings. You're gonna have your guest bedroom here, full bath right over there, laundry room, and down there you're gonna have your primary bedroom, okay? And then we'll get to that. Stairs that goes to the rooftop deck. Okay, so this is the first guest bedroom. So you do have your attic access up there. You have 2 windows. Okay, I got a standard closet. And this is going to be your view, which is nice. You're not looking directly to another townhome. This is your other guest bedroom. Okay, this one you also have 2 windows. And then your closet. This is going to be your full bath. So it does have a single sink, undermount sink. Undermount sink. Quartz countertop. You have the Moen faucet. Okay, the toilet right there. Shower tub combo, tile surround. Okay, and all these units, you're going to have flat white paint all throughout the house. You're going to have flat corner edging. Cool, right over here, you could put a nice little desk. This is going to be the laundry room. So right in between the primary bedroom and the guest bedrooms for easy access. You also have a thermostat here to control the temperature upstairs. Space for your linens. Okay, so this is going to be the primary bedroom. So very spacious. So take a look at that. It's nice that you have 2 large windows. So this is going to be the walk-in closet. Now the walk-in closet runs pretty deep, plenty of space. You also have a window here in the primary walk-in closet. Cool. So as far as the light fixtures, you have 4 can lights along with a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. This is a fire sprinkler. And then this is going to be the primary bath. So you have a large walk-in shower. Okay, 2 sinks. And you have your toilet room right here. Let's see here. Okay, so the wall just stops right there. And I'll show you guys the rooftop deck. So this is the only floor plan that offers this rooftop deck, okay? And once you get up there, well, I'll show you guys. Yeah, you do have like strip views. Okay, so you have landing steps. Nice. So check this out. Looks like you do have some outlets on the side. Beautiful mountain views when you get up here. And then also too, you do have strip views. As you can see, it looks It looks a lot closer in person than in video. Yeah, this is nice. Literally watch New Year's right here, 4th of July. So you plenty of space here. So definitely a cool spot to hang out during fall, winter, spring even, definitely not summer. Okay, cool. So you could also see downtown Vegas as well. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you think of this move-in ready floor plan. Again, any questions with incentives, or if you're looking for just new construction and you're looking to get the best deal, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.